Okay, so thanks a lot for guys joining today's session. Now we'll talk about CCNP security course offered by Network Rhinos. Myself Vishnu again. So we can discover the path in becoming a Cisco certified network professional, security expert with Network Rhinos on this complete training program, which is going to be a starting from scratch. So in this session, I'll talk about the course overview, why choose CCNP security, why should you have to attend it. We'll talk about the curriculum breakdown, exam structures, prerequisite, learning path at Network Rhinos, skills and technologies covered, the career opportunities, salary prospects, why Network Rhinos, and the conclusion and next steps. This will be the table of content for this particular session now. Talking about CCNP course. As the name says, it's offered by Cisco directly. This course is ideal for those who are looking for a job as a cybersecurity professional. This is a comprehensive program that covers core security technologies and principles, network threat detections and mitigation. We'll talk about cloud security, implementing Cisco security, and endpoint protection strategies. Endpoint, nothing but your mobile phone, laptops, all these endpoint devices. Duration is around 3 to 4 months, daily 1.5 hour class, Monday to Friday, and it's going to be an advanced level training only. You should be aware of CCNA before starting your journey with CCNP level. Why choose CCNP security? The first one, industry recognized credentials. See, the CCNP security is globally respected certification that validates your expertise in implementing enterprise security solution. It is recognized by almost all employers worldwide, not only in India. Next, in-demand security skill. See, as of today, security technologies including cloud security, VPNs, threat defense, network segmentation, automation, and identity management, all these skills are highly available in job market. They are in high demand. So you'll get easily hired once you finish this particular training. I should say for 10 opening, we have like only 8 people in the market. Next, there will be hands-on labs and guided learning. When I say guided learning, even your projects and lab will be guided. It's not like I will give you the project, you have to do by yourself. We will guide you in each and every project and labs to complete it successfully. So there will be a completely practical oriented training, not just theory and lab. We'll cover theory, lab, real-time practical scenario, and then the interview questions. So what's the benefit you're going to get in terms of career? See, after CCNP security certification, you can earn an average salary between 100K to 170K dollars annually in other countries. In India, minimum you get like 10 plus LPA easily in market. Very important question, who should attend this session? See, this course is designed for professional looking to advance their career in network security. The people who are already working as a network security engineer, people who are working in network administrator, IT security professional who want to get into a more advanced job, even some people who are looking for some advanced roles in cyber security, they can choose this particular course. So ideally, this course is recommended for people with 1 to 3 year experience in networking and who want to specialize into security solutions. Also, if you have done CCNA, you can study this course, not a problem, to get into a network security job. Talking about the curriculum, see, your CCNP security is made up of many structure, okay? It has around 6 core modules, starting with the security concept, the major module, followed by network security module. Then we got cloud, content security, endpoint, and then we have secure network access, visibility, and enforcement. These are the 6 modules which you'll be studying one by one in GeoIP method, meaning theory, lab, real time practical scenario, and then the interview questions. Talking about the exam structure, very, very important for those who are planning to write the examination. To earn CCNP security certification, you must pass two exams. One is called core exam, second is concentration. So in core, we term it as S core, security core, 350-701. That's going to be a 120 minutes of examination, will cost roughly around $400 without GST. If you add GST as of today, this comes around $472. And CCNA certification is not mandatory to write the examination. Talking about concentration, you can choose anything which you like. Most people choose either SVPN or firewall, as per my knowledge. Exams are available only on English and Japanese as of now for India. And it will be a completely a pass-fail grading system. And it's valid for these certifications also if you want. And once you fail the examination, which I don't want it to happen, you have to write the exam again. Again, you have to pay the fees. What is the prerequisite? See, your CCNP certification has a flexible approach as a prerequisite. See, exam point of view, I should say, you just need to have a good knowledge. Okay. So there's nothing like other examinations like your cyber security exams and all. If you have knowledge, you can write the examination. My recommendation is that when you have experience of around 3 to 5 years, you write the examination, easily pass it, or do a guided study, either with an institution or online instructor for CCNP to pass examination. And you should have 100% knowledge on CCNA level. Okay. So Network Rhinos offer preparatory courses to build the foundation needed for CCNP security also, meaning after finishing our training, you are eligible to go for a job as well as write exams. Now, learning path at Network Rhinos. See, our structured CCNP security courses provide a comprehensive learning design to maximize your success. The first thing is that we have a instructor-led training, meaning we will not be playing any pre-recorded classes and all. It will be a live interactive session with the trainer with experience of around 15 plus years. Then we got hands-on labs. We will be having a real live equipments for real world security scenarios and Cisco devices. We will share official learning materials. We will be having weekly once mock interview, practice test, and exam simulations, 2 weeks once. And there will be a community support and mentoring system where you can call my team between 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. for any technical queries, even after getting the job placement. The skills and technologies covered in this module will talk about threat defense, cloud and endpoints, encryption, API and automation, network visibility, and compliances. If you're watching me online, guys, you can take a screenshot of this particular screen to understand what subtopics we will be covering as per official Cisco guidelines. Talking about the career opportunities and salary prospects, the CCNP security certification unlocks a lot of career path. You can easily get job in the world of cyber security. You can get job as a network security engineer or security operation analyst, security architect, or security consultant. So globally, CCNP professionals are in very high demand because of the growth in the internet. Average salary, which I had taken from Global Knowledge 2025 ID salary report or ZIP recruiter report globally, is around $152,773 per year. Hourly, people get paid between $73 to $100 for their job. You can imagine when you get a salary of $1,52,773 per year. That's very huge amount. Okay. And also one more very important thing. Initially, you might think salary is low, but immediately when you go for a middle level, there will be a sudden spike of 50%, and then there will be double your salary immediately. Just all about your knowledge and how many years of experience you're having. Okay. Why to choose Network Rhinos? mainly because we have industry expert trainers who are currently employees of Cisco, Oracle, and Amazon. We'll be giving you 100% hands-on learning with Cisco equipment, both virtual as well as physical mode. Certification successful coaching, meaning we also prepare you for the examination. We also provide job assistance and placement support. And CCNP mainly has very small batches, not even 10 people batch. So it will be easy for you to concentrate and learn. Phone numbers I have not given here because this video will be uploading on YouTube also. The phone numbers will be on the comment section, or sorry, the description of this video. Okay, that's all. Now, if you guys have any questions, you can ask me now. Thank you.